Collaboration is key to success of any business. Around the globe, people are conducting workshops to brainstorm ideas and create solutions. Yet recording and summarising this work manually can be time-consuming and ineffective. Edison Colab is an AI-driven digital tool, revolutionising the way ideas explored in workshops are recorded and reported. Traditionally, notes from the workshop are captured on butcher's paper, whiteboards and notepads, resulting in hours of transcribing. Edison Colab alleviates this problem by providing a quick and efficient way for facilitators to enter or upload this information using photos or scans. The sophisticated AI then assesses the notes and, based on user-friendly prompts, automatically generates a report and presentation on the outcomes of the workshop, saving time and improving productivity. With the team onboarding new workshop facilitators every day, Edison Colab is poised to bring the world's workshops into the modern age.